I'll show you how to download and install eating animation mod for Minecraft 1.21.3. This mod is only available for the Fabric version, so we also need the Fabric API for it. To begin with, go to the first link and click download universal jar. Thus, we download the Fabric. Now using the second link, we need to download the Fabric API, and from the third link we download the eating animation mod itself. In all cases, you need to choose version 1.21.3. Now open the Fabric file. Here we select the required version and click install. Then we press the key combination Win plus R and write %appdata% in the window that opens. Look for the Minecraft folder, and then we look for the mods folder, and here we put the Fabric API and the mod itself. After opening Minecraft, let's immediately check our mod. We create and enter a single world. We go into creative mode and pick up any food. We start eating it and see that we have an animation of how we eat it. Now we have made sure that our mod worked. The animation itself looks pretty cool. Thank you for watching and goodbye.